Welcome to Crypto Chronicles, where we explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies, NFTs, blockchain technology, and delve into various investment issues. Today, we will discuss the best cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Let's dive into the details. Disclaimer: this script is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves risks, including potential loss of capital. Before making any investment decisions, please conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor. The mentioned cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether, are subject to market volatility and may not be suitable for all investors. Viewer discretion is advised. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, the abundance of options can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. To help you navigate this vast landscape, we will focus on the top 3 cryptocurrencies based on their market capitalization, which represents the total value of all coins currently in circulation. Bitcoin, BTC, market cap, $594.1 billion. Bitcoin, created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, stands as the original cryptocurrency. Functioning on a decentralized blockchain network, Bitcoin utilizes a distributed ledger system that verifies transactions through a process known as proof of work. This method ensures the security and integrity of the cryptocurrency. Protecting it from fraudulent activities, Bitcoin has gained widespread recognition, resulting in a remarkable surge in its price. In May 2016, 1 Bitcoin could be purchased for around $500. Fast forward to June 27, 2023, and the price per Bitcoin reached approximately $30,603, indicating a staggering growth of 6,021%. If you're interested in purchasing Bitcoin, check out our detailed guide on how to buy Bitcoin. Ethereum, ETH, market cap, $225.6 billion. Ethereum not only operates as a cryptocurrency but also serves as a versatile blockchain platform. It has gained popularity among developers due to its potential applications, including smart contracts and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Smart contracts are programmable agreements that execute automatically when predefined conditions are met, while NFTs are unique digital assets representing ownership or proof of authenticity. Ethereum has experienced significant growth in value over time. From April 2016 to the end of June 2023, its price escalated from approximately $11 to around $1,877, signifying an impressive increase of 16,963%. If you're considering investing in Ethereum, we have a comprehensive guide on how to buy Ethereum to assist you. Tether, USDT, market cap, $83.2 billion. In contrast to some other cryptocurrencies, Tether, USDT, falls under the category of stablecoins. It is backed by traditional fiat currencies such as the US dollar and the euro, aiming to maintain a value equivalent to one of those denominations. Theoretically, this stability makes Tether an appealing choice for investors who seek a cryptocurrency with relatively less volatility compared to others. As an investor, if you prefer a more consistent value in a cryptocurrency, Tether may be worth considering. Its market cap currently stands at $83.2 billion. In conclusion, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether rank among the top cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider various factors before making any investment decisions. Remember, the cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, and it's important to exercise caution and seek professional advice when necessary. Thank you for joining us on Crypto Chronicles. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on cryptocurrencies, NFTs, blockchain technology, and investment-related topics.